In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to practice scales with the metronome, 16th note edition. Here it goes. Hey guitarists, this is Mike from Guitar Essentials, and in this lesson, I'm going to show you 4 16th note patterns and how to practice those with the metronome. So in this video, if you start from beginning to end, you'll see how advanced it can become. This video is more for an intermediate to an advancing guitarist. So the first step is to learn the scale. So we're starting with the first finger on the 5th fret, 3rd string. Then we go with our 3rd finger to the 7th fret of the 3rd string. Then we go to the next string, 2nd string, 5th fret, 1st finger. 2nd finger, 6th fret on that string. And then 4th finger, 8th fret on that string. Then we go to the 1st string. 1st finger, 5th fret. 3rd finger, 7th fret. And then 4th finger, 8th fret. That's the scale. And practice it ascending and descending. Okay, step 2 is to learn the 4 different rhythms. So the first rhythm is your steady 16th notes. And you would count them 1 E-enda, 2 E-enda, 3 E-enda, 4 E-enda. So I'm going to put my metronome on 70 beats per minute. We're going to keep it really slow and basic. And in this lesson, I do highly recommend you have your guitar out and practice along. So the first rhythm we have is straight 16th notes. 1 E-enda, 2 E-enda, 3 E-enda, 4 E-enda. So let's now apply that per note of the scale. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second rhythm is an 8th note and 2 16ths. So we count that 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. And the picking is really important. In the previous one, we were alternate picking. This one, we're going to do down, down, up. So 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. The next pattern is 2 16th notes and an 8th. 1 E-end, 2 E-end, 3 E-end, 4 E-end. And we're going to pick that down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. 1 E-end, 2 E-end, 3 E-end, 4 E-end. And the fourth or last pattern we're going to do is where we take out the ands on the 16th note. So it's 1 E, a 2 E, a 3 E, a 4 E. Now the picking pattern is down, up, up. It's like you miss a down in there. Down, up, miss, up. Down, up, miss, up. Here it goes. 1 E, a 2 E, a 3 E, a 4 E. Now step 3 is putting all these patterns together, and sometimes you can do it with the metronome where you have a pause in between. You can check that out and also apply these rhythms to my other scale videos, which you can find above. So let's put all these together. We're at 70 beats per minute still. Make sure you have your guitar and play along. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a... Now the fifth step is to put all those rhythms together in sequence. Here it goes. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Also, if you want free chord charts, scales, or exercises, check out the link down below in the description. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.